Hello everyone, I Vikram Vora welcomes you in this video. In this video we will discuss about the public Wi-Fi that is called PM Vani. So I'll try to tell you everything about the Vani, what it is, how it is going to be executed or implemented throughout the pan India, what is the significance and importance and benefits of this Vani. So be with me up to the last of the video, but right now I have one question. Tell me the name of the company who launched first mobile phone in the world. You can type the answer into the comment section. I will tell you the answer at the last of the video. So this is a news from Indian Express in which our telecom and IT minister is announcing that our cabinet has approved the setting up of public Wi-Fi networks throughout the India under the name of PM Wani. So let us discuss about the PM Wani. So the PM WANI stands for Wi-Fi Access Network Interface. This has been approved by the Union Cabinet on 19 December 2020, and this service will be provided through the PDOs. I'll tell you later what is the PDOs, but right now what is PM WANI? The name itself is indicating that it is a network interface. Means somewhere it is making the bridge between service provider and the users. For example, there is a I am the user and Airtel is providing me the net. So it will become the bridge between me and the Airtel. Moving on, how it is going to be implemented throughout the pan India. So first will be PDO. PDO stands for Public Data Office. They will be the facilitators between service providers and users. Means they are just like the public STD booths we had in the earlier time. The only difference between public STD booths and PDO will be that the STD booths provided as the voice connectivity, but the PDO will provide as the data connectivity. Moving on to PDOA, Public Data Office Aggregator. So this is an aggregator for PDO. They will decide how to authorize the PDO at a place, what is how many connections will be there for the Wi-Fi connections. This will maintain all the authorization and accounting of the Wi-Fi connection in an area. Then there will be an app developer. App developer means we as a users we will try to access the Wi-Fi hotspots provided by WANI compliance, but we need such kind of app in which we can search such kind of WANI connections nearby me. So these apps will be an platform for registering users over it and showing them what kind of WANI Wi-Fi connections are nearby to them. So they will be just like a platform for accessing the WANI connections. The last one is the central registry. The central registry will be maintained by the Center for Development of Telematics, CDET. They will make the complete record of app providers, PDOs and PDOAs. So this is how it is going to be implemented. So this was the idea first time that was given by our TRAI in 2017. TRAI stands for Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. It is the highest governing body in India for telecom uh, and communication industry. So coming to the significance of WANI, certainly first one is it is a step towards digital India, because right now we don't have so much access to the internet, because especially if we talk about the rural India, the people at there, they don't have the access to the internet, especially the fast internet. So that will be definitely it is a step towards the digital economy. The second one is it will definitely generate the employment, because under this public Wi-Fi more PDOs will be installed, so that whoever is installing the PDOs, that will be the kind of employment for those guys. The third one is the entrepreneurship. They will just that public Wi-Fi installation will give entrepreneurship boost in India. Why? How? Because the most of the persons will try to develop the apps, different kind of apps which will be compliant for the public Vani. So definitely that will boost the entrepreneurship in India. And lastly, it is a need of time, it is a nick of the time that we need to spread the public broadband internet services through the country. So it is just it seems that public Wi-Fi, the Vani is going to implement it, this one. Coming to the benefits of Vani, it aims to provide high speed internet. So definitely it will provide, because in the pandemic, during the pandemic, we had already felt the need of this high speed internet, because we more depended over the net and internet connection. So we need a 4G connectivity, 5G connectivity in the future time. So this is just a step towards for the high speed internet. The second one is, we have in the rural area, we don't have the 4G connectivity, because the service providers like Airtel, Jio, they are not installing their networks in the rural and backward area. So definitely this will provide the high speed internet data into the rural area and backward area as well. Third one is the, it will be the just boost for the MSME sector. How? Because the MSME stands for micro, small and medium enterprises, because the lower and middle portion of the society will be benefited from such kind of Wi-Fi systems. One more good thing about this public Vani is, there is no need to pay any licensing fee for this broadband services, because whoever is installing or whoever is investing over the PDOs, they don't need to pay any kind of license fee to the government. So it is a good thing about the Vani. Why it is a need of right now? Because as per the data of TRI, 50 to 70% in the world, the users use Wi-Fi connectivity Wi-Fi connections for their internet usage, but the data for India is less than 10% right now. So it is a nick of time, we need to implement it. So right now government has the target of installing 10 million Vani hotspots up to 2022. So I think the government will be successful on this one, and we will be moving towards their digitalized economy. I hope you understand it. But now the time for the answer of the question I had asked in front of the video at. So the answer is, the first mobile phone was launched by Motorola in 1973. The engineer was Martin Cooper. So I hope you understand it. Thanks for watching. If you find this video informative, like it, subscribe this channel and share with your friends as well. Thanks for watching.